Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash Like Money. Today's video, I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me for Vlogmas type of video. I'm literally getting ready for bed right now. It's like 9 o'clock at night on November 30th. So I'm preparing for this upcoming week for Vlogmas. Doing days 1 through 7. I'm going to batch record. I'm going to kind of show you guys what that looks like a behind the scenes type of thing. Don't forget to smash the notification bell so you can be part of the Glam Fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? So hey guys, it's a day before Vlogmas and my daughter poured water and sprinkles on my Wi-Fi box a day before Vlogmas. And now I have to figure this stuff out before I'm able to participate in Vlogmas. So I was supposed to go by my grandma's house today and get like holiday decorations, and I'm like not in the holiday spirit. So that's how my day's going. But I'm cleaning up now and I'm trying to get it to work. So if it doesn't, I guess I'm gonna have to go pick up another box. I was supposed to record tonight, and like I'm just really not in the mood at all. So we're gonna see how that goes. Yeah, I just want to be transparent because like shit isn't always like butterfly and rainbows. So hey guys, so I'm just writing out my Vlogmas video ideas right now. My Vlogmas intro idea, and I'm going to be shooting that within the next couple days. I already did my thumbnails for the next 7 days, so I am on track with that. This is my first year doing Vlogmas, by the way. I wanted to for like years and years and years, and I just didn't. So this is my first year actually participating in it. It's already given me like a shit ton of anxiety, but I'm excited. So I have 25 videos that I'm going to be trying to do and get out, and yeah, so this is me preparing for Vlogmas basically. So today is the 30th. This is the last day of November, and tomorrow is day 1 of Vlogmas. So here I pretty much have like 21 different ideas here, and then here I have like 12 different ideas here. These are like sound ideas that I have that I really want to do, and then these ones are just like rough draft ideas that I have. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be writing them down and finishing the rest of these ones here. All right guys, so I have this for my daily to do for Vlogmas, and this is for my weekly to do for Vlogmas. This is my Vlogmas ideas just to keep me on track, and this stuff is very important to do, to break down your tasks into micro goals so you don't get overwhelmed and so you don't get stressed, because this is a lot of pressure to do. So it's important just to break it down. So I'm going to be writing this stuff down, and I'll be filling these out tonight, which is the day before December 1st. watching. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Bye.